everyone and welcome to another food vlog from Singapore. I am Sakshi
I'm DJ.
and in this video we are going to show you more vegetarian hawker food in Singapore. So like we said in the last video, vegetarian is not so easy to find. So our aim is to show you some of the options that are available. But do note that these are not the only options that will be available. So on that note, let's eat! Hi guys, it's 11 a.m. in the morning and we are at the Ghim Moh Road Food Center, and we came here for a Saturday brunch, and even at this hour it's quite packed. So today we are headed towards this Indian hawker which is called Heavens, which is really popular for its appam. And this stall also has other South Indian fare like thosai and idli and puttu and so on.
So we are back to Hawker Center, and this time around we are trying appams and a masala dosa at Ghim Moh Food Center. So appam is basically kind of a dosa, but little more thick in the center, and they serve usually with sugar and coconut, fresh coconut. But we asked them to give me curry and a chutney. So let's dig in. It's quite good for a food court, good for a hawker center food overall. And the good thing is you can customize your order. You can add cheese slices, you can add onions, and then you can also ask them to add eggs if you like eggs. But I've ordered with cheese and a plain butter appam. Yeah.
And appam is also made of rice batter, and this is kind of like dosa, but it's almost like a pancake. It's almost like a savory pancake. So let's dig in. I mean, this is soft and warm right now, and with the chutney and sambar, it's really good, and it's a perfect breakfast almost, I would say. Or rather,
Now let's try masala thosai. This is also one of the favorites over here with locals. This also has various options. You can ask them to add eggs, you can ask them to have plain, and I've ordered the masala thosai, as you can see, and this comes with the sambar, red chutney and coconut chutney. So now let's dig in. Let me take one more bite with masala. With masala it's quite good. The texture of the batter is almost same for both, but the taste is totally different. So you can definitely order this from Ghim Moh Center, and the price is so low. You can order, this is in $2, and this per piece is $2, so you can choose how many pieces you want to eat. So we just discovered one more item here. There is a very old place here which serves this. This is basically a carrot stick. It's a deep fried carrot stick. So you have carrot cake, which is very famous in Singapore as a local snack. So this is the same version, but it's a deep fried stick without any sauce or anything. So let me give it a try. It's almost like a French fries, but it's very soft. It's not crispy, but it's very soft and very warm when they serve it. So it's really good with the tea as a snack.
alright, so we are at a hawker center near Bishan or Upper Thompson Road, and we've come to a place called Sing Ming Roti Prata. Now, as you might know, Roti Prata is quite popular locally, and at this place, which is quite popular by the way, we are trying a very different version of the prata, which is called the coin prata. So these are like almost like dough balls, which are kind of like a compressed version of the lachha paratha. Now these are nice and piping hot at the moment, and we couldn't get a vegetarian curry, but we do have these curry potatoes. So I'm looking forward to lathering these up with the potatoes and taking a big bite. Here goes. It's quite nice. It's hot and crispy. So it's almost like a snack. It's almost like a starter rather than a prata. But it's really nice.
This is really good. So crispy, crunchy, and usually the parathas you get is very oily. This is not even oily at all. So it's really tasty. And I can't stop myself eating. So we are back to Maxwell Food Center for a brunch, and this time around, last time there were a lot of shops which were closed, and this time around everything is open. So we have just got our fresh hot puri and sabzi, which is a vegetarian set from a Pakistani place. They have very good vegetarian spread, so you can really enjoy. So now let me try. So this comes with a chola and a mixed vegetable curry which has potatoes, cauliflowers, etc. So let me try with the chola first. The flavors are a bit mild. The curries could have been quite spicy, but it's very mild. But overall, it's a good set for $6. You get very hot puris from it. So good to have over brunch. And I've seen a lot of vegan people coming and having vegetarian sets there. So it's a quite popular place here at Maxwell.
By the way, I love puri aloo. I grew up in Agra, and that's a staple breakfast, so I miss it quite often. Let me give this one a try. इतना अच्छा तो है. I love it. I mean, I'm not always looking for spicy curry. This one has ample amount of flavors, reminds me of home, and I like it.
So what do we have now here? It's falafel sandwich. You might probably not expect to have this in a food court, but there is a place in Maxwell Food Center called Dubai Shawarma. They have a lot of vegetarian options which you can order from. They have falafel sandwiches, they have dolmades, they have cold meze starters, etc. So that's a good option to try as well for vegetarian people at Maxwell. So this is a spicy falafel sandwich, so now I'm going to give it a try. The falafel is so good. It's really hot, crispy, and with all the fresh veggies, the sandwich is really good. And it's around $6, but you can order individually also falafel and other items. So yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Nice and hot and spicy. This one is spicy. Yeah, really good that you get such good falafel sandwich in a hawker center. It's amazing. And I wanted to make a special mention of the coffee shops at hawker centers in Singapore. You know, like the ones that you can see in the background. This coffee is so good, so rich, and gives you a kick. And it's all for $1.10. See, such a big mug. Wakes me up.
Thanks for watching our video, guys.
And do hit like, share and subscribe, and we hope to see you back here very soon.